How to set up sales tax in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can set up sales tax in your Shopify store. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to admin.shopify.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, from the left-hand side panel, you want to click on the settings option. Here you will find different options. Go ahead and find the one that says taxes and duties. Once you click on this, the taxes and duties page will appear. Now, if you want to create a shipping zone, click on the shipping zone link. Now we want to enter the details about the shipping zone in the region you want to collect tax. Now, once you have found the region in this list, you want to select it. As you can see, there are different regions right now, such as Australia, Canada. All you want to do is select the preferred region. Now here under the regional settings, you have the GST collection. If you do business in Australia, you may be required to collect GST on sales in Australia. Go ahead and click on the collect in new region option. You will have to enter your ABN number over here and click on collect GST option. Next you have is tax rate and exemptions. So if you want to do shipping overrides, click on the add override option. Now here you will have to enter the tax rate and click on the add override option. Next, there is product override. Here you can add a custom sales tax rate for a collection of products. Now, if you want to see your collected tax report, you can click on this option right here. Down below, you have the global settings. If you want to include sales tax in product price and shipping rate, check this box. Check this box if you want to charge sale tax on shipping. You can also check the box that says charge VAT on digital goods. Then go ahead and click on the option of save over there. And in this way, you can set up sales tax in Shopify store. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.